Hello folks, and thanks for stopping in. Today I got this Chamberlain half horsepower garage door opener. So what's going on with this thing is the lady said she was pushing the button and it wasn't going up all the way. And let me demonstrate. Right here's the button. We can see the door down there. I'm gonna press it, close it. Goes back up and just stops. Just stops. That's about, 4 or 5 inches off the floor. And if you're needing to get your truck out or get your vehicle out and the door's not raising, that could be an issue. So let me show you what the problem is. It's super easy fix. Well, like I said, I have a Chamberlain garage door opener. Chamberlain LiftMaster are the same thing. So if you have a LiftMaster that's doing this to you, this is going to help you out as well. So what you're going to do on this particular machine is I'm looking for 2 blue dials. Some of them are located on the back side, some are on the side, like this one. But I'm going to pop the cover off to the control center. So that's going to reveal where the wires go in, and it's got your learn button where you program remotes, and then you got those 2 blue dials. And what those dials represent is a force control. It takes a certain amount of force to raise the door open and to push it down. And I can see on those dials, it goes from 1 to 8. And they're set kind of low, especially for an older machine. Looks like they're set like on a 2. So what we're gonna do, you wanna take a straight screwdriver, flat tip, and we're having problems with the open. It's stopping trying to open it. And that arrow up signifies open. Arrow down signifies down. So what I'm gonna do, and here's the thing, turn these guys up just a little bit. You don't wanna crank them all the way to 8, because if you give it maximum force, you could really tear up your garage door, especially if it gets hung up on something or comes down on something. So like I said, it was on a 2. Let's bump this guy up to about a 4. And I'm gonna do that as well for the down. Keep them the same. There we go. They're set on a 4. Now let's try it. There it goes. Voila. This is going to happen when the weather changes, but as soon as it gets cold, that machine works a little bit harder. You'll have that problem. Hope this is an easy fix for y'all. Got any questions, please comment, hit that like button, subscribe, obviously. Stay safe out there, everybody. Peace out.
Goodbye.